In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a client in SimplePractice. Deleting a client is a permanent action, so I'll walk you through each screen carefully and share a few tips to help you avoid mistakes. Before you begin, make sure you truly intend to remove this client and their data from your account, and that you're following your practice's policies and any regulatory requirements for record retention. Start by opening the client's overview page. This is the main page where you typically see their demographics, appointments, and documentation. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct client, since everything that follows will apply to this specific record. Once you're sure, look just below the client's name and click the Edit option. This switches the profile into edit mode, revealing settings you don't see on the standard view. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see the option labeled Delete this client. Because this action is irreversible, the button is placed at the bottom to prevent accidental clicks. Double-check again that you're in the right chart. If the client has a similar name to someone else in your caseload, verify the birth date or another non-sensitive detail on the page before you proceed. When you click Delete this client, a confirmation window will appear. You'll be asked to type the client's first and last name exactly as displayed, including capitalization. This is case-sensitive, so match the spelling, spacing, and any punctuation precisely. If there are hyphens, accents, or middle initials shown, be sure to enter those exactly as well. This safeguard helps ensure only intentional deletions go through. If prompted, you'll also need to check a box acknowledging that this will permanently delete the client's history and records. That includes notes, documentation, billing information, and uploaded files associated with the client. If you're required to keep certain records, pause here and make sure you've handled that beforehand. After you've entered the name and acknowledged the warning, click Delete or Permanently Delete Client to finalize. The system will process the request, and the client and all their data will be removed from your account. This may take a moment, and once complete, the profile will no longer appear in your client list. That's it. You've successfully deleted a client in SimplePractice. Remember, this action can't be undone, so always verify the correct client and confirm any retention needs before you start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.